Now in today lecture, we will discuss your chapter 15, that is the probability. So meaning of probability is the student of chances of an event or the possible chances of an event. Suppose if we are tossing the coin, then coming head or tail, these are the two possibilities. So that is the probability. If we are throwing a dice, then coming 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, these all are known as its possible outcome. So probability क्या हो सकती है? One will come, either 2 will come, or 3 will come, or 4 will come, or 5 will come, or 6 will come. These are the possible results. So in probability, firstly we will discuss the formula. So what is the probability? Number of favorable outcomes is divided by total number of outcomes. Let number of favorable outcomes be m and total number of outcomes be n, then probability of that event is given by m by n. That is the P of E meaning क्या students? Probability of an event E. So P of is m by n. Then how we will find out the probability of not happening? P of E bar, that is known as probability of not happening of event E. How we will find out? 1 minus probability of happening. So if probability of happening of an event is given to you, then how we will find out the not happening? We will subtract from 1. So from here what we conclude? P of E plus P of E bar is equals to 1. Meaning is that the total probability of an event is always will come 1. Here students, P of is the probability of happening and P of E bar is the probability of a not happening. After that we will discuss what is the range of the probability. So what does meaning of the range? What is the maximum value of the probability and what is the minimum value of the probability? So range of the probability is equals to 0, greater than, P of E is less than equal 1. So range of the probability is the value of probability may be 0, is greater than 0, less than 1 or equals to 1. That is the range of the probability. Okay. Now for which type of event the probability is 0? So for impossible event, for impossible events, P of E is always what will come? 0. For example, if we are throwing a dice, then coming 7, dice को throw कर रहे हो, then coming 7, 7 कभी आता है? Never will come 7. So what is the probability for that event? 0 will come. And for sure event, the probability is 1. Meaning is that probability never will come negative and never will come greater than 1. Probability की value ना तो 1 से greater होगी और ना कभी negative होगी. Understand? After that we will discuss about the sample space. Okay, how we will find out the sample space or total number of outcomes for coin, for dice or for that all. that we will discuss now. Now we will discuss the sample space. Sample space over total outcomes. So what is the meaning of sample space over total outcomes of an event? The total possible results of an event. The total possible results of an event is known as sample space over outcomes. Now after, firstly we will find out the space, sample space for tossing a coin. So tossing a coin, total outcomes are two, of which either head or tail will come. Second, tossing a two coin, tossing two coins, then total outcomes is equals to 4. That will come either head over head tail over tail over tail head. 4 outcomes will come. Third, if we are tossing 3 coins, then total number of outcomes is 8. Then how we will write down the total outcomes of 8 in case of 3 coin? First coin, second coin and third coin. First, second and third. Write down 4 times H, T, then H, T, H and T, then H, T and HT. So these are possible 8 total number of outcomes. So first is H, then second is HT, third is HTH, fourth is HTT, fifth is THS, sixth is THT, seventh is TTH, and last is TTT. So students, if we are tossing a single coin, total number of outcomes 2. If we are tossing 2 coins, total number of outcomes 4. If we are tossing 3 coins, total number of outcomes 8. Then in general case, tossing n coins. So if we are tossing n coins, then total outcomes is equals to given by 2 power n. And what is n here? N is the number of coin. Suppose आपने 1 coin toss किया, 2 power 1 is 2. 2 coin को toss किया, 2 power 2 is 4. 3 coin, 2 power 3 is 8. So here 2 power 1, here 2 power 2 and here 2 power 3. So if we are tossing, students, 5 coin, then total number of outcome is given by 2 power 5 is 32. Any problem? So we can easily find out the total number of outcomes in the case of coin. Understand? Now next we will discuss the sample space over total number of outcomes in case of dice. So how we will find out the total number of outcomes or sample space in the case of dice. So in dice, general formula is 6 power n, where n is the number of dice. So first is throwing a dice. So if we are throwing a single dice, then total number of outcomes 6. Total number of outcomes is 6, which is given by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 prime numbers, how many prime outcomes? Prime numbers क्या क्या होंगे? 2, 3 and 5. Prime number is 2, 3, 5. That are 3 number. Next, even numbers. Even number is 2, 4 and 6. This is also 3 number. Odd number. Odd number is also 1, 3, 5. These are 3 number. So if we are throwing a dice, then total number of outcomes 6. In that, prime number is also 3, even number is also 3, and odd number is also 3. Next, if we are throwing 2 dice, together, then total number of outcomes are 36. Then how we will find out the total number of outcomes? These are 36. Here first dice first and dice second. In first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and at last 6 will come. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Observation or outcomes for first dice, second dice. First dice 1, second dice 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4, 1, 5 and 1, 6. Second is 2, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 4, 2, 5 and 2, 6. 3, 1, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 3, 5 and 3, 6. Next 4, 1, 4, 2, 4, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5 and 4, 6. Next is 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3, 5, 4, 5, 5 and 5, 6. Last is 6, 1, 6, 2, 6, 3, 6, 4, 6, 5 and 6, so total number of outcomes are 36. Out of these 36 outcomes, what is the meaning of doublet? So students, doublet का meaning क्या होता है? Anyone? What is the meaning of doublet? If on both dice same digit will come. On both dice same digits will come. So here how many doublets are present? So here first is 1, 1, then 2, 2, then 3, 3, then 4, 4, then 5, 5 and 6, 6. So here total 6 doublets are present. Suppose asking the number of favorable outcome for which the sum is 9 will come. Sum 9. So in which some 9 will come? 9 किस किस में आ रहा है देखो, 4 plus 6 plus 3, 5 plus 4, 5 plus 4, 4 plus 5, 6 plus 3, and that all. 1, 2, 3, 4. So number of favorable outcomes for which sum is 9, 4 outcomes. 5, 3, sorry, 6, 3, 5, 4, 4, 5, and 3, 6 will come. So what is the general formula if we are throwing n dice? So if we are throwing n dice, then total number of outcomes. So what is the total number of outcomes? Is 6 power n. If we will put n value 1, single dice, that is 6. Double dice, 6 power 2, 36. Triple dice, 6 power 3, 216 outcomes will come. Understand? Now next we will discuss the different. In one hand we are having a coin, in another hand we are having a dice. At a same time coin को toss करवा रहे हो, dice को throw कर रहे हो, then how we will find out the total number of outcomes, that we will discuss. So here understand what is the meaning of doublet. If we are throwing 2 dice, then in that case on both dice same digit will come. That condition is known as doublet. Now next is that throwing a dice and tossing a coin. डाइस को क्या कर रहे हो स्टूडेंट, थ्रो कर रहे हो, एंड कॉइन को टॉस कर रहे हो, देन outcomes. Then how we will find out outcomes? Anyone can tell to me then total number of outcomes are? Here upper side is dice and down side is coin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In coin what will come? Either head or tail. Suppose here coin, on coin will come head, then dice 1, head then 2, head 3, head then 4, head 5, and head 6. Second condition, tail 1, tail 2, tail 3, tail 4, tail 5, tail 6. So total number of outcomes are 12. Understand? So if in one hand we are having a dice and another hand we are having a coin, then we are tossing both together at a time, then the total number of outcomes are given by 12. Any problem students? Easy है. Formation of outcomes. On one row you will consider the dice and another coin, then after find out. Now next we will discuss the important, that is about the playing cards. Okay. Now we will discuss the concept of the playing cards. So total number of playing cards are 52. Out of 52, 26 are the red and 26 are the black cards. Yes. So now we will discuss about the playing cards. So total number of playing cards are 52. Out of 52 cards, 2 color card is present here. In 52, 26 is the red cards and remaining 26 is the black cards. Out of 26, 2 colored present here and here also 2 colored present here. In red card, we know which card is presenting here. In a red card, which card is presenting here, student? Which cards are present? In a red card, which card? 4 cards are present: club, spade, heart, and diamond. So here 13 card of heart and remaining 13 card black किस में होती है? One is spade, 13 is and 13 is club. So here 13 is diamond. You know height is red pan, diamond is eat, spade is hukum, and club is chidi. So these two colors are black and remaining two colors are red. So total number of playing cards are 52, 13, 13, 13, 13. That will come 52 cards will come. After that, we will find out that the total number of face cards. Total number of face cards are 12. And in face card, which card we will include here? King, queen and jack, not joker, that is jack. K as a king, queen and J for jack. So out of 12 student, 6 are the black face card and remaining 6 are red face card. So total number of face card are 12. Out of 12 face card, 6 is the black face card and 6 is the red face card. After that, we will discuss the total number of egg. Total number of egg. Egg का मीनिंग क्या होता है? इक्के कितने होते हैं? 4. Out of 4, out of 4, 2 is red color, red egg, and remaining 2 is black egg. टोटल नंबर ऑफ egg are 4. 4 में क्या होते हैं? 2 रेड कलर के होते हैं, 2 ब्लैक कलर के होते हैं. आफ्टर दिस टोटल नंबर ऑफ क्वीन. Total number of queen are 4. Queen 4. So 2 is red queen and next 2 is black queen. 2 होती है red queen and 2 है आपकी black queen. Same number of jack. So number of jack also 4. In that 4, 2 is red and 2 is black. And number of king also. King भी कितने होते हैं? 4. Number of king is 4. Out of 4, 2 is red and 2 is black. Now the numbering on card is starts from where? कार्ड पे जो नंबरिंग होती है वो कहां से स्टार्ट होती है? That will start from 2 to 10. नंबरिंग इज स्टार्ट फ्रॉम 2 to 10. सो कार्ड होते हैं 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then after J, King, Queen and Egg. So these are the total 13 cards. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Jack, Queen, King and Egg. So understand that chart of the playing cards. Total number of playing cards is 52. Out of 52, 26 are the red cards and 26 are the black cards. Out of 26 red card, 2 colored is present. 13 is the heart and 13 is the diamond. 13 is the spade and 13 is the cull. After that, total number of face card. The face card, in face card, we included the king, queen and jack. So that's why 4 is king, 4 is queen and 4 is jack. So total number of cards are 12. Out of total 12 face card, 6 is black face card and 6 is the red face card. After that, number of इक्के जो होते हैं वो भी 4 होते हैं. Number of queen also 4, number of jack also 4 and number of king also 4. So each color is 2 red, 2 black, 2 red and 2 black. Suppose question is that find the probability of coming a red face card. So आपको किसकी probability find out करनी है स्टूडेंट? Coming a red face card. So how we will find out the probability of coming a red face card? How many red face card? 6. Divided by total number of cards are 52. So probability is 6 upon 52 will come. Yes, right. So student, all student note down that chart. All student note down that chart. Shall I ref?
Yes, sir.
Now next, we will discuss the question based on that probability. Okay. Question is that find the probability of coming a red card, a red egg from 52 cards. So how we will find out? Firstly, number of red egg. So number of red egg is 2. Then after total number of cards is 52. So probability of which we will find out red egg. So write down here probability of inside red egg is equals to 2 upon 52, that is 1 upon 26 will come. If asking what is the probability of coming is that black queen. So probability of black queen. So in that out of 52 cards, how many black queens are present? 2 black queens are present. So 2 upon 52, that will come 1 upon 26. Next question is that throwing a dice.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Sir, can we represent this 1 upon 26 in decimal form also? Or
No. You will left in fraction form.
Okay, sir.
Now throwing a dice, find the probability of coming prime number. So if we are throwing a dice, then what is the probability of coming prime number? So firstly we will write down numbers which are prime. So numbers which are prime. How many prime number are present? 3, which is 2, 3 and 5. And total number of outcome, total number of outcomes is 6, which will come 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 will come. So probability किसकी find out कर रहे हो? Prime number. So probability of prime number is 3/6, that will come 1/2. So students, in that chapter